Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get more store reviews that are going to boost your Shopify sales. This is really powerful. This works for any type of e-commerce. And we're talking about reviews plus surveys equaling more sales, higher conversion rate, higher trust rate, and just an overall bigger and better business. This is exactly how to do it the right way. And there is literally no better way to increase trust, to increase conversion rate, and overall to increase your sales than to get more customer reviews. We all know this. Reviews are incredibly powerful. If you're not using reviews for your store, you need to get started ASAP. And I'm going to show you the absolute best way to turn reviews into more sales, to turn reviews into social proof that will help sell your products, and to turn reviews into a really overall massive part of your business. And a really popular strategy is to use GetReviews.ai to get customers to leave more reviews and help you build that massive, trustworthy e-commerce brand. We'll go over the shoulder in a little bit, but I want to talk about some of the pain points that you might run into when it comes to implementing reviews in your Shopify store. As crazy as this sounds, there's no built-in way to do this. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you GetReviews, incredibly powerful, and it needs to be super easy to use. You're going to see just how easy it is to get started with this, to get your reviews, your surveys up and running, to incentivize. It's literally very, very intuitive. You'll see it over the shoulder as I go step by step. And really the cool part about this is you're going to see that GetReviews integrates with all of the Shopify review apps. So if you're a store that uses Yotpo or any of the big review apps on Shopify, you could redirect customers directly, in this case, to the Yotpo review link or to whatever review link you're using. Full integration there, and that's why GetReviews is so powerful. It literally is the best way to get more reviews. You're going to see it in action. I highly recommend it, and you're going to see why. It's a very intuitive way to get customers to take action. And if you know about reviews, and if you know about the challenges in reviews, about 1% of people leave a review. So 1 in every 100 sales you make, maybe one of those customers typically will leave a review. GetReviews is going to skyrocket that number and get you so many more reviews. You see the link directly below this video. Let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you GetReviews.ai right here. And they talk about reviews being the best marketing tactic. Like I said, there's no better way to increase conversion rate, to increase trust, and to increase revenue. Right? You want to collect more reviews. Right? It doesn't matter where you're selling your product. See, obviously it works on Shopify. It also works on massive marketplaces like Amazon, right? So literally, it doesn't matter where your customers are. You need to be getting reviews. And you as the seller, you're going to build these custom review funnels. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Really, really easy, in terms of setting this up. You don't need to be a coder or a programmer or anything like that. You don't need to have any kind of technical experience. And really, many GetReviews customers use package inserts that have QR codes. And it's really cool. You could set that all in here to get customers to leave reviews. Package inserts, you can design them right here in GetReviews. That's the entry point. And you're going to get these customers to actually go ahead and leave reviews by encouraging shoppers to leave a review, and sometimes optionally giving them a free product or a gift. You'll see how that's all set up inside here. And more reviews equals more sales and more happier customers, no doubt about that. See all these different integrations, even Zapier to basically go into anything. Klaviyo, of course, which is super popular, and OrderDesk, there's even more. So you see the link directly below this video. I'm going to show you how to do this, how this is going to work. We'll log into my account, and then we'll actually take a look at a demo survey flow. So again, you see GetReviews.ai. We'll go over the shoulder now, and we'll set everything up. Okay, we are in our GetReviews dashboard, and this is a brand new account, so you could follow along exactly with what I'm going to do here. And as we load into the dashboard, we'll start to see the reviews that we collect, all the information and the data that we collect from our surveys and our reviews. But we're going to need to go ahead and first build our survey. So we'll come over here into the surveys section. We're going to come click Create Survey. And I'm going to show you just how easy this is. You don't need to be any type of technical expert, right? We're going to come over here and we see over here we have our survey name. And what we're going to be able to do is over here, survey name. I'm just going to call this example survey 1, just for the sake of this video. Now we have the different types of surveys, right? We're going to have a background and header. Are we going to have additional content below on the extended style? Or are we just going to have a very, very minimal survey design, right? We're going to go standard for now, but all these are worth kind of testing. We have fine print automatically generated over here. You can feel free to edit this in terms of what you're doing. We're going to set up something for a free product per household over here. So we do have some limitation on there, some quote unquote fine print. We have that all here. Ability to add some additional CSS if you really want to get kind of custom with your scheme here. You could remove the powered by over there as well. Then you're going to come over and start customizing. You'll be able to come over and upload your logo, upload your background image. This is going to go ahead and set up your page. And then we're going to need to go ahead and create a product, right? This will be what they're eligible for, what products are eligible for the survey. And this is really about enabling people who have purchased a product to go ahead and go through the survey flow. Minimum star rating, right? This is really cool. It's pretty much exactly as defined. Once you set a minimum star rating, users who rate this will be shown a link to go ahead and actually give the review. It's cool because you kind of eliminate or force eliminate any negative reviews that are being prompted here through Get Reviews. Minimum review length as well. We can set minimum characters, right? So we have the ability for these reviews to look and feel real. They are real, so you want them to look real. You don't want any short responses. Require rating and review. We have different options here, right? They could just do a rating or just a review, but both is better, right? We want to have a review and rating, right? That's just what people expect to see when they're reading reviews. Leave review on Marketplace. So we have the ability here to select whether or not you want to prompt them to go review on Marketplace after. So we could basically send them somewhere else if you don't want to, or we just have it optional. We have that ability over here. So I've entered in all of the information required here, added my logo and my banner image, and I've configured everything else over here. But before we're ready to go, we need to be creating a product. And once we have our product created, or before I should say we have our product created, we're going to need to enable a marketplace. So I clicked on Create Product over here. I'm going to click Enable Marketplace. This is where we're going to make the connection into our Shopify store. And you see all of these different marketplaces that are available here, even just custom website over here. But we have Shopify right over here. You see TikTok Shop is a really popular one. And we'll come over and click Configure. And we're going to enable over here. What we want to do here is just go through the different options. So provide a URL where you want shoppers to copy and paste their review. Right? We can just leave this blank. It's going to be based dynamically on what they purchase, what product I should say. And now we could have manual or order upload validation. Basically, when we do order upload, you'll be able to upload your customers customer list. We'll just do manual validation. You see, it's very simple to do that. Very, very easy. When we connect these over here, and we see this ability to now go live. We have our marketplace updated. Very simple. You're going to see it down here, enabled. You could enable multiple marketplaces as well. But let's go back to our survey now, and we'll go to our edit. And now you'll see under Create Product, we could actually go ahead and create product over here. And what we're going to do is find the product's Shopify product slug. So this is literally going to be inside of our Shopify store. We're going to go into our products. And I'll go with this All Roads Lead to Downey shirt. And the product slug, you're going to find that in a variety of different places. But if we take a look over here, we should be able to find it right over here. Product name. Just putting that right in there. And we could save this. We don't have any giveaways set up yet, but we can come back to that later on. You can create multiple products as well. Obviously, we can come over here and we could just continue to create more products. How about I do the official shirt here and take the slug this way. So just copy that. Very easy here, right? Nothing challenging. We're just copy and pasting and giving the product a name. Take our image here. And I'll grab that. And I will now set this as the image. Okay, and we'll save that. So we have two products now. We can come back over here into our section. We have product eligibility. Let's go ahead and select our official store t-shirt. And if we wanted, we could select multiple, right? You would imagine in our store, we'd have all of our different products in here that we want to be eligible for doing surveys. So come over here. I'm just going to select official store t-shirt for now. Again, we have this set up. We really have everything set up and ready to go here. Another cool thing that you have here, you could install your analytics, for example, Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. You could put all that in here. So you could track things even down to the click inside of these surveys. So really cool. These would be other integrations as well. For example, if you have existing review plugin apps in your store. So we're going to save all that. We have our code. We have our ability to analytics. Now let's actually go ahead and take a look at our survey. And why does it look like this? Well, we uploaded our logo. We uploaded our background. Again, we can also copy and paste that iframe information directly into a custom page in our site. But this looks really good because it completely copies our branding. Right? If you take a look at the store and you come back over here into the survey, right, works really well. And of course, we picked this open road image because it works with our brand, but you know, there'd be a lot of different ability for you to just customize any type of background image you want, maybe even just something more specific to your brand or your logo or your colors, right? Have that over here, and of course your logo up there. So we now have this survey ready to go. And what we're going to do next is actually run through this survey as a customer would. So a customer would come over here, they'd enter in their order number, we'll just use this as an example, and they'll come click next. And of course, they see, again, prompted with that specific t-shirt, in this case, with the specific product title. Now we're going to go ahead and give it that interactive. You see the stars here, and it says minimum characters 50, right? So need to write a little bit more. Meet the characters, right? You see it's not going to be... So we have something like that, and we'll click next. We can copy this text and paste it right onto our Shopify page and the reviews right over there. And then we just simply submit information. You see the ability to opt in over here as well. Got all that in there, and we'll click next to finish. And that's it. Really, really easy process, fully branded in there. And now as the store owner, we'll be able to come back over here and we can take a look at the analytics now. We have people showing the funnel. We can see where they drop off at, of course, see our conversion rate over here. So really, really powerful, really easy to do as well. And you'd be able to create this for all the different types of surveys. You can see, remember, we had 3 different survey types over here to get more content. We could do giveaways as well, right? We'll be able to have campaigns in terms of distributing via email and SMS review requests. We could even design our package inserts right inside here. Right, so we can give it a name over here. Let's call this summer promotion, and we can connect our survey over here. We'll upload our existing logo. We can set our background color and all that great stuff, right? Really easy to do. Say thank you so much. Say let us know how we're doing. And we can put in our brand. Save it. We can literally download the assets as well, which is really cool. Download the assets, see our logo working over here. Download the assets, become printable files, right? You get those printed, and you can have 4x6. You can have different styles over here. You see they all fit. Really easy to change just based on your imagery here and what you're selecting. We go ahead and select our background image. So it's all fully branded, right? Matching us, automatically generating that QR code for people to scan, and that's going to bring them right over to that survey funnel. So very, very powerful. Again, here's that connected survey. Everything done for you in here. It's really, really powerful when it comes to doing all that. And, you know, see your reviews right here. Right now you start to have reviews. These are incredibly powerful for your business. So that was GetReviews.ai. Again, you see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. You could do really anything you could ever dream of in terms of surveying and collecting information, and most importantly, getting those really powerful reviews. So highly recommended. Make sure you click the link directly below this video, jump right in. You could try another survey flow right on their website, see exactly how it works, see how powerful and easy it is, and I really hope you install this because this is going to take your reviews and your conversion rate to the next level. Highly recommended. GetReviews.ai. I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.